Now that our campaign's running, it's time to look at how Hootsuite Ads helps with analysis and reporting. Analytics live throughout the entire tool, enabling you to manipulate and graph data, and navigate results at any stage of the campaign process. In the dashboard, view results at the account level, or dig deeper by viewing results in the campaign-level dashboard. From here, you can view top factors and ads reporting, which shows results at the ad testing level, as well as the individual results for each ad. Let's start by looking at the Dynamic Graph Creator. It shows results from all campaigns across your account and can be customized based on the most important metrics. Graph data can be viewed on a campaign-by-campaign basis by clicking into a campaign from the list below, and it can be exported as an Excel file. As you scroll down the campaign-level dashboard, you'll notice opportunities to adjust the optimization of your campaign if it's still running. You'll also see the Delivery Overview, which tracks the total reach and frequency of the ads shown. Scrolling a bit further down, you'll see the Top Factors chart. Top Factors showcases the results from all the variants you tested during your campaign, giving you insight into which variations performed best. Now click View Full Stats. This takes you to the Ads Reporting tab, where you'll see even more results. Here, you can graph your data based on primary and secondary statistics, as well as metrics like engagement, click-throughs, or dollars spent. The All Ads view lets you look deeper at ad sets and individual ads. This information can be further customized by changing the columns and can be exported as an Excel file. Now we'll head over to the Audience Inspector. This is a table that breaks down the elements of your audience that you aren't already split testing. The Audience Inspector gives you quick insights into the effectiveness of your audience and the ability to identify new opportunities for targeting. If you want to view data from a group of campaigns, scroll up to the main navbar and click Your Tags. Here, you'll be able to view your campaign data based on the tags you added to your campaigns. For example, let's say you run a global chain of hotels and all your different locations ran their own campaigns using the tag Spring Promotion. You can pull up the results from all these individual campaigns in one place, giving a complete view of performance. Now let's take a look at the Report Generator. Report Generator lets you build out customized PDF reports that can be saved or sent via email at a set schedule. Begin by creating a new report based on an individual campaign, a tag, or an account. You can also base your report on multiple accounts, which is especially useful for marketing agencies. Now select the specific time range if desired. You can also customize your reports with your organization's logo and color theme. Colors can be selected by either choosing from a list or entering a hex value. Now comes the fun part: choosing and optimizing the modules of your report. First, you'll want to decide between using aggregated or campaign modules. Aggregated modules pull together all data, even when your report is looking at multiple campaigns, while campaign modules create a separate report for each campaign you've chosen to report on. Click Add Modules to view the types of modules that can be added to your report. Popular options include Metrics Box, Line Chart, and Pie Chart. Additional written context can be added to your reports with the free text module. Now click the plus sign of a module to customize what data will be shown. For example, with line charts, you could show ad clicks as they relate to your overall spend. If you've chosen the pie chart module, show age versus spend to learn what demographics are most expensive to reach. You can also add a custom title to each module for additional context. Some of the most effective modules for viewing overall campaign performance include Ads Preview and Split Tests. Ads Preview shows what your ads look like in different placements, while Split Tests report on the results of any tests you ran during your campaign. When your report is built out the way you want it, click Preview to confirm the layout. If you need to make any adjustments, simply drag and drop to move and resize the modules. Finally, configure how often you'd like the report to be sent out. You can have the report sent to just yourself or to a group of stakeholders. Once you click Save, your report will send automatically at the scheduled time. You also have the option to simply download the report in a PDF format if you need it right away.